Hi guys, this is Dr. DJ from Full Potential Chiropractic, and today what I wanted to discuss was an emerging trend that I'm seeing in the office from poor posture of texting. We know that 2/3 of all Canadians own a smartphone. 34% of them use their smartphone exclusively to search the internet, not a laptop or a computer. And the average Canadian spends 34 hours a week on their smartphone. What we typically see when I go to Starbucks or I walk through the mall, even in the office, I'll see people, and this is our texting position. The problem with this is that it has damaging effects on our spine and nerve system, and that'll contribute to things like chronic neck pain, headaches, nausea, dizziness, ringing in the ears, chronic upper back pain, and the thing that concerns me is I'm seeing this so common in some of our, well, many patients, but even kids now. A lot of kids are using smartphones, iPhones, iPads, even those little handheld gaming units, and it's causing damaging effects, and I'm seeing more kids come into my office as a result of this, this poor posture and the effects that it's having on their body. So what I would like to show you is, one, just like when we're at a computer, we always want to try to have good posture, so sitting up nice and straight and looking straight ahead. So it's ideal if you're going to be texting to have your phone straight out, you know, about a foot or two from your eyes, and then you're doing your texting. And I get that that may be a bit unrealistic for many of us, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a couple simple exercises that you can do if you're spending a lot of time on your smartphone, because I know a lot of us have business to do. Couple simple things that you want to try just to reduce the damaging effects of either sitting at a desk or using your smartphone. So first thing is, one simple exercise, you're going to stand up nice and straight, you go palms up to the sky. What I want you to do is pinch your shoulder blades down and in, you look up, hold for 5 seconds, and relax. Very simple exercise that reduces the effects of being caught in here, in this position. We want to basically reduce and reverse the effect of being stuck in that bent over posture. Okay, so that's a simple exercise. You hold it for 5 seconds, you do it 10 times. Next one that I love for people who are holding that posture as well as sitting at a desk a lot is hands behind the back. You want to pull down and look up. You hold this for 5 seconds and relax. As you do this, I'd like to see you doing some deep breathing. We know that Canadians, we typically are short breathers, and we get about 70% of the oxygen that we should be getting. So by just deep breathing deep into your belly, oxygenates your system and keeps your tissues healthy. Another thing that we find is that about 25% of Canadians sleep with their phone on right by their ears. Now, all the data isn't out on this, but we all know that there's radiation that gets emitted from our cell phones. We don't fully know the damaging effects that that has on the body, but I think it's really wise to just keep that phone away from you. Put it in another room, put it at least 10 to 15 meters away from you so you're not getting that radiation into your body all night long. Okay, and that we want to try to reduce the number of chemical toxins that are that we're exposed to, because it's the accumulation of all these things that will cause chronic illness in our health. So that's it for today. Just wanted to give you a couple quick tips to help reduce the effects of using that smartphone. Have a great night.